Welcome back to Tech Crumbs. Today we're going to be unboxing the Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. So as you can see, it's a very low profile mouse. It has Bluetooth connectivity, and inside the box you can see there's a mouse, a little adapter, USB, then a AA battery and some manuals. And it seems to work with Windows, Mac OS, iPad OS, Chrome books, and also other devices. So I already pre-cut this a little bit because if not, it would be impossible to open with my bare hands. But basically we open the package and we pull out the contents of what's inside, if we can. Seems not so simple. There we go. That is the mouse, and then we have the manual, nothing else in here. And inside here we have, like I said, some paperwork, quick instructions on how to pair it, then longer paperwork, and the mouse itself, which seems to be in this plastic enclosure. Take it out, and it seems like the battery is pre-installed, so we basically would have to just pull, and that activates the battery. The battery's in there, but basically that is what you get. You also have a little sticker here, which we can take off, and that would be basically the mouse itself. Not much else to the content. It actually is trying to sync, so we can turn it off. And yeah, we'll be making more videos on how to connect it to different devices and how to use this Logitech mouse. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Bye.